First point for the procedure of sketching some simple curves is what? Is symmetry. Now in the symmetry we are having at least 4 points, different points. Now number 1 is symmetry about y-axis. Now how it is defined? Now the graph or the curve is symmetrical about the y-axis if the equation does not change when x is replaced by minus x. In particular, second easiest statement is an equation now first step was the graph or the curve is symmetry about the y-axis if the equation does not change, or you can say equation is unaltered when x is replaced by negative of x. Now in particular what we are saying, an equation that contains only even power of x, an equation that contains only even power of x represents a curve which is symmetry about y-axis. This is a graph. Now when x is replaced by minus x, so that is what? Y is equal to x square. Now this portion is exactly equal to this portion. Okay, the distance from the y-axis of each and every point is equal. So that's why it is called symmetry about the y-axis. Now for example, the graph of y is equal to x square is symmetry about y-axis.